Welcome back to a new video from your favorite YouTube channel, Crypto Express. Today we're going to be talking about some good news regarding SafeMoon, and we'll discuss why SafeMoon is getting closer to reaching $1 per coin value. So make sure you don't miss any part of the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, please note that this video does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move has a risk, and investors should do their own research before making a choice. So without wasting any time, let's start. SafeMoon consistently refuses to succumb to centralized government pressures or be enslaved by flawed and regulatory monetary shackles. SafeMoon is competing and bracing itself for the difficult market conditions. Because of SafeMoon, it is now possible for anyone to store and transfer value in the form of a currency that is impervious to manipulation. The origins of SafeMoon can be traced back to a couple of years ago when a person using a pseudonym created a cryptocurrency that was similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum and that would run on blockchain and ensure maximum transparency and high volatile security as the decentralized finance or DeFi token. At the same time, simultaneously being scientific was considered highly incredible and brought a lot of turbulence in the initial phase of the price offer. SafeMoon is a cryptocurrency that runs on the blockchain and ensures maximum transparency. In addition, the most recent reports indicate that SafeMoon Coins intends to develop non-profit trading platforms, charitable projects, and cryptocurrency educational apps. The price of SafeMoon has been on a downward trend for more than 4 months, but there are indications that it may be on the verge of recovering. The daily time frame shows that a bullish pattern is starting to form, which could lead to a reversal if it keeps going. The previous couple of weeks have been challenging for SafeMoon V2. Unwanted light has been shed on the project as a result of allegations of fraud leveled against top executives, and losses on SFM have been compounded as a result of wider market losses. That's why SafeMoon V2's current price is below all of its major moving averages, and the potential for further losses remains unabated. However, things are beginning to improve as a result of a price cut that did bring back some investors for a brief period of time as SFM regained 60% of its value. Since then, bulls have tried to find a way around the problem. Since the first week of May, investors have been amassing their holdings, and significant indicators like RSI and MACD have demonstrated that bulls are gaining strength in the market. Current RSI readings have the potential to reawaken interest among bullish investors in normal circumstances. However, the situation was anything but normal for SFM. Even though FUD was still a factor in the SafeMoon community, it wasn't good for the cryptocurrency market as a whole that Bitcoin's price was below average and had another correction over the weekend. SafeMoon's price has dropped significantly since January 6th, with the cryptocurrency losing approximately 88% of its value. Even though there's a significant amount of bearish sentiment, the price of SafeMoon has made new lows around $0.000355. This new information suggests the formation of a possible base, which in turn raises the prospect of a trend reversal. The bullish divergence, which also shows that a good outcome is likely, makes the prediction even more accurate. This type of technical pattern is known as a double bottom, and it occurs when the price of an asset creates lower lows while simultaneously the relative strength index forms higher lows. Even though the price of SafeMoon has decreased in the short term, the current market setting indicates that bullish sentiment is growing in the market. Investors should anticipate that the price of SafeMoon will retest the immediate resistance barrier at $0.000962 in order to prepare themselves for a swift reversal. This will allow them to be better prepared. Investors would realize a gain of approximately 100%, and it's likely that this is the point at which the potential for further gains has been exhausted. In spite of the fact that things look to be getting better for the SafeMoon price, there is a risk that the bearish market structure will obscure the optimistic indications that were highlighted earlier. The bullish thesis for the SafeMoon price would be invalidated if a daily candlestick closed below $0.000357. This would result in a lower low for the SafeMoon price. In such a scenario, it is possible that SafeMoon will continue to decline, and it's possible that it will reach new low levels. As a consequence of this, investors need to keep this information in mind while they wait for the positive signal. As a saving grace for SFM, it is possible that the Mandala listing will attract new SFM investors, and it's anticipated that the trading volume for the DeFi token will increase as a result. SafeMoon currently has close to 3 million holdings, and with the listing of Mandala, it is likely that the number will continue to grow. In addition, Mandala is the first exchange to offer global tokenomics for the SafeMoon cryptocurrency. If you want to trade the DeFi token on your platform, you will have to pay an extra Mandala fee on top of the 10% SFM tax. Even though the standard trading fee on Mandala is 0.1%, this percentage could go up depending on how much the user trades in the marketplace. As a consequence of global tokenomics, users who trade and hold their SFM on Mandela are eligible to receive SAFU funds as compensation. In addition, investors have the opportunity to generate passive income from their trades by collecting the 4% global SFM reflections that are due to them. The process is very similar to that of holding SFM on MetaMask. However, users of Mandela are granted the ability to receive reflections despite the fact that the transaction is an exchange. On the Mandela website, it was stated at the time that the listing was being planned that Mandela Exchange would be the first SEX to adopt SafeMoon v2 global tokenomics. Traders will have to pay the standard 10% SafeMoon v2 tax and a Mandela trading fee, the amount of which will depend on which MDX locking tier they are in. The base trading fee is 0.1%, and the traders can get up to a 35% discount on trading fees by locking the MDX native token. It really appears that SafeMoon is headed in the right direction for the foreseeable future. It has a direct stake in decentralized finance, and we anticipate that as this grows in the coming years, the price of SafeMoon will rise proportionally to reflect this growth. Additionally, its V2 updates and impressive other features are constantly updating the coin's ease of use, accessibility, and security in a way that is both seamless and impressive. Nevertheless, investors ought to be aware that due to the fact that the coin is an alternative cryptocurrency, its price can change quite a bit, which can result in a great deal of volatility. To sum up the whole discussion, on the basis of arguments discussed in the video, one can say that the SafeMoon price has a tendency to reach $1 per coin in the near future. Despite the relatively low cost of entry, it may be difficult to refrain from swimming in the SafeMoon pool. Even so, there is a lot of risk in investing in cryptocurrencies because the market is very speculative and there is no central authority to keep it in check. It is essential to keep in mind that the opinions expressed in this video are not meant to be taken as investment advice. Rather, they are provided solely for educational purposes and are not intended to be taken as such. You should never make any decisions without first conducting sufficient research because there are always the possibilities of losing money when trading or investing in anything. The Crypto Express channel does not provide any advice or recommendations regarding investment strategies. If you thought this was an interesting video, please share your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you're visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.